So today we are going to take the last class on 2D trigonometry. We have first question, we have to calculate the height h and we have to give the answer up to two significant figure. It is a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle means we have two options. We have to go for the Pythagoras theorem or we have to go for trigonometric ratio. Yes, Afan, can you please tell me we have to go for Pythagoras theorem or trigonometric ratio?
Geometric ratio.
Ratio. So what is the name of this side?
Opposite.
It is going to be opposite and it will be
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse and it is adjacent.
Adjacent.
So we have to find opposite. Hypotenuse is given, angle is given. Which trigonometric ratio is suitable?
Sine.
We have to use sine because we know that the sine of angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So angle is given that is 15. We have to find opposite. Hypotenuse is 628. So 628 is dividing here. On the other side, it will be multiply. Yes, multiply them.
So 163.
163. Height will be equal to 163 meters. Yes, everyone, it is clear. And 1 second, I will share my
Yes.
full screen. So show my calculator as well. All right, now we have the next question. A triangle has a side of length 2 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. We have to calculate the largest angle. Let's say we have to make a triangle. Let's say it is 9 centimeter, it is 8 centimeter, and it is 2 centimeter. So 9 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. He says that the find the largest angle. The largest angle is always opposite to the largest side. Yes, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mustafa, you have to tell me which technique we have to use. We have to use Pythagoras, trigonometric ratios, sine rule, cosine rule, but we have to use here. We
Sir,
have
does this
these
not a
sides
right
are
angle
given.
triangle and three
It is not.
sided
It is
also?
not. It is not right angle.
Yes, sir. I'm saying that right. It's not a right angle triangle, so we're gonna go for the cosine rule, sir, which is if
Yeah.
you've been given three sides,
Can you please? This cosine rule says that any side square will be equal to
the opposite side, sine of the opposite side, sir.
sum of the square of two other sides minus 2 into product of other sides into cos of included angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, Mustafa, you have to tell me from which side I have to start, so I will get the angle that will be x.
Sir, nine.
We have to start from 9 because 9 square is equal to sum of the square of other sides. Other sides are 2 square and 8 square minus 2 into product of other sides. So 2 multiplied by 8 into cos of included angle. Included angle is x between 2 and 8. Now we just have to simply make the x as a subject to find the answer. So it will be 9 square minus 2 square minus 8 square is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 8, that will be 32 cos of x. So 32 is multiplying over the other side, it will be divide 9 square minus 2 square minus 8 square divided by, sorry, it's not plus, it is minus 32. Now we have to find the value of x, so it is cos. The other side it will be cos inverse. So it will be 9 square minus 2 square minus 8 square divided by minus 32. Yes, please find the value.
So it's 111, 112 point, 112, sorry.
No, I'm getting something different.
Okay, so it's minus 32 out of minus 35.
So it will be 113.96. So 96 will become 97. 113.97 degrees. Yes, everyone, this question is clear.
Yes, sir.
So obviously, if you are going to be talk about the largest angle, so obviously the largest angle will be opposite to the largest side. If he says that find the smallest angle, so the smallest angle will be opposite to the smallest side. All right. Yes, Daniel, you have to be tell me about this one. We have a right angle triangle. We have
Yes,
one side. We have the angle. We have to find AB. This side
mm,
we have to find. Yes. We have to go for Pythagoras or trigonometric ratio.
so I think trigonometric ratio.
Why you? Yes, we have to go for trigonometric ratio. Okay, tell me what will be the name of this side?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of this side
This side
with
opposite.
respect to 28? It is
Opposite.
opposite side, it is
It
adjacent,
is
and it is hypotenuse. So we have the hypotenuse,
sine
we have to find adjacent. So which trigonometric ratio is going to be suitable?
sine theta equal over h.
Yes, Daniel, which trigonometric ratio we have
So
to use?
I said sine theta or equals to over h.
Now we have to find adjacent and hypotenuse. So there is no link of opposite here.
Oh, adjacent, then cos theta equals to a over
Yep.
h.
Because we have to find the adjacent, yeah. So cos of 28 is equal to adjacent, that is AB, divided by hypotenuse, that is 8. Now 8 is dividing over the other side, will be multiply. Yes, please find the value.
So 7.1.
7.1. Write the answer up to 2 decimal or 3 decimal, okay? So
Okay, sir.
7.06. AB is equal to 7.06. Yes, everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Reba, tell me about question number 21. Ariba, are you here? Yes, Afaf. Yes, everyone, can you hear me? Afan?
Yes.
Oh, I thought I have muted or it's a voice problem. All right. Yes, Safa, you have to tell me about this one. It is obviously it is not a right angle triangle, so we have to use a sine rule or cosine rule. So we have a side, we have their opposite angle. We have to find this side, and we have their opposite angle. Yes, we have to go for sine rule or cosine rule.
Sir, cosine.
If I'll open the notes once again. I'm not sure where is the notes.
So sine rule, because
Yeah,
they give one
you are
side,
right.
and if you have one side or two or three angles, sir.
Yes. If examiner give you one side and two or three angles, so you have to go for
Sine rule, sir.
sine rule. All right, Afan?
Alright.
So we have to find the PR. So you have to start from PR. PR divided by sine of their opposite angle. So that is 37 is equal to, we have to take the side, that is 12.5, that is sine of their opposite angle, that is 66. So you will have to use a sine rule, side divided by sine of their opposite angle. So we have to use it. Now we just have to make PR as a subject. So PR will be equal to sine 37 is dividing here. On the other side it will be multiply. So 12.5 divided by sine 60. Yes, please find the value. Yes, Ariba, Afaf, and Fraz, are you here?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Afaf and Fraz.
Yeah.
So why you not answering? For example, if you are not able, you don't know the answer, just say it. I don't know.
So
Obviously, I will try.
71.97.
Say it again.
71.97.
No, I'm getting 8.68. Find it again. Yes, everyone. Daniel, Afan, find this value.
Yes, yes, it's 8.69.
8.69. Yeah.
Because I had written into 12.5 divided by sine
Sir,
6.
I'm getting 8.7.
8.7. Okay. 8.69. Okay, let's. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right, now it is a really interesting question. Yes, Reba, can you please read it?
Yes, sir.
Please read the question number 22.
A helicopter flies from its base B to deliver supplies to two oil rigs at C and D. C is 6 kilometers due east of D, and the distance from C to D is 8 kilometers. D is on a bearing of 120 degrees from B.
So he is going from B to deliver the supplies from C to D, and C is 6 kilometer on the east. B of the B, and the distance of C to D is going to be 8 kilometer. You have D is the bearing of 120. I told you what is the bearing. Bearing, you have to, from B, you have to stand on B, take your side towards the north, and you have to measure the angle clockwise. So it is given. So the D is on the bearing of 120 degree from B. So this angle is 120. Now you have to find the bearing of D from C. So means you have to stand on D, and you have to find the bearing of D, means this one. Because I told you, you always start the measurement of angle from the north, and you have to measure the angle clockwise till D. Yes, it is clear. The question was clear what we have to find.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ariba, Afaf,
Yes, sir.
Afan. All right. Now, obviously, we don't have any information directly to find this one, but one information is given here. He says that C is 6 kilometer due to east. Due to east, this means that this angle must be 90 degree, right? If it is on the
Ye-
east, we know that east, west, north sides are always on 90 degrees. So if it is 90 degree, so this angle will be 120 minus 90. That will be 30 degree. So if it is 90, it is also 90. We don't have any information to find this, but we can find this angle. If we are able to find this one, we are going to be subtracted from 360. We will get the required answer. So now my main focus is to find this angle. Let's say it is x. Yes, anyone tell me how we can find this angle?
Sir, 360 minus 90 degrees minus the angle at C.
360 minus?
360 minus 90 degrees minus the angle at C.
No, you have to focus on this triangle right now.
Oh.
And we have these two sides. We have this angle, and we have to find this one. Obviously, we are not able to find this one directly because we don't have their opposite side, right?
Yes.
But we are able to find this angle because we have the side, we have their opposite angle, we have the side, we have their opposite angle. So we are using the sine rule here. So 38 divided by sine of y is equal to a complete set of information. Sorry. We have to take the side, that is 6 kilometers, divided by sine of y, side divided by sine of their opposite angle is equal to side, that is 8 kilometer, divided by sine of their opposite angle. So 8 divided by sine of 38 degree. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to make y as subject. Y is sine y is dividing. So sine 38 is dividing. It will be multiply. 8 is multiplying. It will be divide. It will be sine y. I have to find y. So take the sine on the other side. It will be sine inverse 6 multiplied by sine 38 divided by 8. Yes, everyone, please find the value.
Sir, that is 30, not 38, sir, angle.
It's 30. Oh, yeah. It is 30. Thank you. It is 30. Yes, find the value. Sine inverse division 6 multiplied by sine 30 bracket close. In the denominator it will be 8. Yes, everyone, what is the answer?
So 22.02.
22.02. We'll get y is equal to 22.02. So we'll get this angle 22.02. Alright, we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is always equal to
187.
so we are going to take it 30 plus 22.02 plus x is equal to 180. We have to find x, take it on the other side, it will be 180 minus 30 minus 22.02. Yes, that will be equal to
127.98.
127.98. Alright, minus 22 point. Yeah, 127.98. 127.98. Alright, so we'll get this angle as well. That is 127.98. Now look at here, we have this whole angle. So we are going to be subtract it from 360, we will get the required answer. So bearing of D from C will be equal to 360 minus 90 degree minus 127.98. Yes, everyone, this statement is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes, please subtract the values.
So 45.
142.02.
45.
Is 142.02.
Yes, Mustafa, please check it again. 142 point.
Yes, sir. 142.02.
142.02 is the bearing. And when we are doing the bearing, I told you, you always write the answer of the bearing into 3 significant figures. So the answer will be 142. For example, if you have to be right at 142.02, you will lose 1 marks without any reason. Okay. You always write the answer of the bearing into 3 significant figures. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have mentioned it in the notes. 1 second. You have to write the answer to 3 significant figures. So look at here. In this one, basically, we have to find this angle bearing. First of all, you need to understand the question. Obviously, we have to find this angle. For this angle, we need this one. And obviously, when we are going to look for this angle, we need one more information. So I have to find this angle. With the help of this one, I have to find the angle x. And with the help of angle x, I have to find the bearing of t from C. So it's going to be making a chain basically. So obviously you can make this one when you have a strong grip, and obviously you have to use some basic concept. I just use what are the concepts that I have to use here? Just the basic sine rule. The second thing, the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equal to sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. And then at the last, we know that the whole complete rotation is 360. So I had to subtract 360 minus 90 minus 127.98. Yes, everyone, it is clear. Question number 22.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, Daniel, Afad.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes, Afaf, can you please read the next question?
Triangle ABC is isosceles AB is equal to AC. Angle BAC 110 and the area of the triangle is 85 centimeters square. Calculate AC.
So it's an isosceles triangle, and he says that they are equal. Let's say both are x. The area of triangle is given. Yes, you have any idea which formula we have to use here?
1 over 2 times by AB times sine C.
Yeah, we have to use the formula of area of triangle, that is equal to 1 by 2 product of two sides into sine of their included angle. All right. So the area is given, that is 85. 1 by 2 product of two sides, that are x multiplied by x, sine of their included angle, that is 110. Now x multiplied by x, that will be 2 is dividing. On the other side it will be multiply. X multiply x will be x square. Sine 110 is multiplying. On the other side it will be divide. Now we have a square on x. I want to remove it. What I have to do?
It
So
is
take
gonna
the square
square,
root.
square the answer.
Yeah, we have to take the square root on both sides. So we'll get the required answer. So we have a square root. Just find the value. 85 multiplied by 2. Everyone, when I'm doing the questions, please find the answer with the help of calculator. The main purpose that I'm going to be asked the answer from you. So obviously, it is really important that you are writing the answer, you are writing the numbers in the calculator in the right way or wrong way. Yes, what is the answer?
So 13.45.
Yes, Afan, Daniel, Riva.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Daniel, Riva, you have to tell me the answer as well. Yes, Afaf.
Sir, I'm doing it.
All right, do it.
Sir, I'm not sure, but I think 13.45.
13.45. And Mustafa, what is your answer?
13.45.
13.45 is the right answer.
Yeah, I got the same.
Yes, there is anyone who got the different answer? Yes, Mustafa, check the mistake.
No, sir, I also got
Oh,
13.45.
all right, all right, all right. Yes, Daniel.
Yes, sir, I'm getting same.
All right.
13.4.
All right. Yes, Safan, tell me about this one. We have to calculate the value of x. We have to use trigonometric ratio or Pythagoras
Sir, trigonometric.
trigonometric ratios because obviously we have two sides. We have to find the angle. So with the help of obviously with the help of Pythagoras, it is not possible to find the angle. So you must be pretty sure it is trigonometric ratio. All right, which trigonometric ratio? What is the name of this side? According to angle x, it will be
Sir, it'll be opposite,
it will be adjacent and it will be.
adjacent and hypotenuse.
So you have adjacent, you have hypotenuse, and you have to find the angle. Yes, which trigonometric ratio you have to use?
Uh, Sir, cos.
We have to use cosine rule here. So cos of x will be equal to adjacent, that is 2, divided by hypotenuse, that is 5. Now we have to find the angle. It is cos here. On the other side, it will be cos inverse 2 divided by 5. So please
Cos
find the
inverse
value.
of 2 divided by 5.
Cos inverse
66.42.
66.42. Yes, Mustafa?
Yes, sir, 66.42.
66.42 degree. Yes, Reba, you are finding the answer as well?
Yes, sir.
Alright, yes, Daniel. Tell me about this one, question number 25. Oh, in this one,
Basic.
look at it. It says that you have to use a sine rule.
Yes.
So, yes, from which side we have to start the sine rule? We have to
So
find this one.
24 by 100 equals to BC by 30.
Yeah, that's the same thing, but sine 30, okay?
Oh, yes.
Always start from the unknown side. BC divided by sine of 30 is equal to 24 divided by sine
Sine
of
100.
100. What I have to do, side divided by sine of their opposite angle. Now we have to find BC. So sine 30 is dividing here. On the other side, it will be multiply. Yes, find the value. Yes, what is the answer?
So 121.18. 19, sir.
121 point, yeah, 12.19.
12.8.
Yes, sir, 12, sir.
12.19. All right. Yes, Riva, you are getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
12.19
Yes, sir, I'm getting
centimeter.
the same value. Yeah.
All right, I found good. Yes, it is clear. All right, now we have next one. We have the area of the triangle is going to be given. We have to be calculate the length of QR. We have to find this length. Yet, anyone have the idea how we can solve it? Obviously, we don't have any direct way to find RQ.
So we will use the formula of area of the triangle.
But with the help of area of triangle, what we have to find?
Angle P.
Yeah, we have to find angle P. So we have the area is equal to 1 by 2. Sum substitute the product of two sides area is equal to 1 by 2 product of two sides into sine of their included angle. Yeah. So area is 38.5. 1 by 2 product of two sides 9 multiplied by 10 into sine of their included angle. Let's say it is x. Now we have to find the angle. 2 is dividing. On the other side it will be multiply. 9 multiplied by 10 is multiplying. It will be divide is equal to sine x. Now it is sine here. On the other side it will be sine inverse of 38.5 multiplied by 2 divided by 9 multiplied by 10. You will get x. Yes, please find the value.
So 58.82.
58.82. Okay. Yes, any other one? Please confirm the answer.
So it's 58.82.
All right. Yeah, 58.82 centimeters. Oh, sorry, not centimeter, it's angle. We just have find angles. So 58.82 degree. So we'll get the angle. 58.82. All right. So now we have the angle. We have the two sides. We have to find this. So basically we have two sides, their included angle. We have to find their opposite side. Yes. What we have to use? Anyone?
Sir, cosine rule.
Yeah. We have to go for cosine rule because cosine rule is side is equal to sum of the square of two other sides minus 2 into product of other side into cos of their included angle, that is 58.8. We have done this in the notes as well. I will show you. Yeah. If examiner give you two sides and one included angle, so you have to go for cosine rule. So let's see how to go for cosine rule. Side square. So let's say it is y side that we have to find. Y square is equal to sum of the square of two other sides minus 2 into product of other sides into cos of their included angle. Now it is a square on it. We are going to be take the square root. So we will get the answer. Yes, everyone, please find the value. We have square root 9 square plus 10 squared minus bracket 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 10 multiplied by cos of 58.82 bracket close bracket close. Yes, anyone get the answer?
Say 9.37.
9.37. Okay. Any other one? Yes, Afan, Arifa, Daniel.
Yes, sir.
9.37 centimeter is the side of this one. That is QR. So QR is equal to 9.37 centimeter. Yes, Afaf, can you please tell me what we have to do with this question?
Here we're just gonna use the Pythagoras theorem formula, that's it.
Yeah, the Pythagoras rule states that the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of two other sides. So the hypotenuse square is 8 square is equal to sum of the square of other sides are 5 square plus
Square.
x square. Now we have to find x, so take 5 on the other side. It will be minus 5 square will be x square. We have to remove the square, so take the square root on both sides. Yes, what is the final answer? Yes,
So
Afaf,
6.24.
6.24. 6.24. Alright, let's see how to do the last question of today's class. Yes, Ariba, can you please tell me about this one? We have the side, we have their opposite angle, we have the side, and we have their opposite angle. Yes, Ariba.
So we will use the sine rule.
We have to use the sine rule. Sine rule says that any side divided by a sine of their opposite angle. So the opposite angle to y is 39. Sine of 39 is equal to any other side. So this is the complete set of information is given, side and angle. So 112.4 divided by sine of their opposite angle, that is 74. So sine 39 is dividing, on the other side it will be multiply. So sine 39. Yes, everyone, please find the value.
So 8.118.
Say it again.
8.118.
8.118. Okay.
Say 8.12.
8.12. Yeah, 8.118 or 8.12. 8.12. Okay. Obviously, when you have to round off 118, you will get the 8.12 centimeter. Okay, let's do one more. Yes, Mustafa, tell me what we have to do.
So we will go for the trigonometric ratios.
All right. So which trigonometric ratio? It is opposite. It is hypotenuse.
So we'll go for the sine, opposite over hypotenuse.
So sine of angle, that is x, is equal to opposite, that is 2, divided by hypotenuse, that is 5. Yes, please find the value, everyone. Sine inverse of 2 divided by 5.
Say 23.6.
23 point.
6 at 23.6.
23.6 degree. Yes, everyone, any question up here?